My shower broke, and I really need to use your shower.
You live around here?
What are you talking about? I've lived next door for years.
I've never seen you before, actually.
Are you messing with me?
No, I'm not. I mean, if I would have seen you before, I would have remembered.
No, what are you talking about? We talk every morning. Come on.
We do?
Don't be silly. Let me use your shower.
I surely should.
No, come on. Please.
Alright, fine. Alright.
Why are you doing this to me? I didn't do anything. Let me out of here. Please, come on. Are you fucking listening to me? Hello? Hello? Do you hear me? I know this is you. Let me out of here. I haven't done anything.
I'll let you out when you're dead.
Look, come on, bring it on. I've been through worst already. You don't scare me. You and your kind. I don't know what the fuck you are. What the fuck is going on? I'm back here again? And what are you standing there for? Tell me, how do I get out of here? I see people. I'm out. Holy shit. This is great. I made it. Fucking made it. Hey, little man, what's up?
First, they took my clothes off when I was asleep. Then, they made me have this crazy dream. And now I'm not even on the train and it keeps happening. I should have listened to all those warning signs about the train. What do they want from me? Do they want my body? What do they want? It's like they're teasing me. They're flirting with me in some kind of sick paranormal way. As soon as possible, I want this to stop.
Hey YouTube. So I saw this flyer today. No trains, phantoms there, you can be killed, haunted, hypnotized. Really? There are ghosts? Train ghosts? I know it's really hard to believe, and I can't believe it. But it might make sense. I've been having this reoccurring dream of writing July 31st, 2009 at a train station. And I don't think it's a dream. I think it's myself in a previous time loop, and there are these other time loops, and different things have happened to me. It's like this flyer mentions. Time loops. So I tried searching for a significant event that occurred on July 31st, 2009, and there is nothing. Not in New York, not anywhere else in the world. I heard about this woman's name written in blood, and the rumored government cover-up that the blood is not human. So what is really going on? Is there a great evil at work? I know it's all connected, I just don't know how it all connects. I mean, did this woman die on July 31st, 2009? So how? What does she want? To get revenge? I mean, honestly, it's like, just move on and go to heaven already. What does she want with me? Maybe I'm just part of the ride? Sometimes I feel like I have ESP. Anyways, I'm just tired of not understanding, and I want to know more, even if it kills me. If you have any ideas, please email me. Thanks for listening.
I didn't even mean to take the train today. Fuck, just leave me the fuck alone! Fucking angel! Where are you? Just leave where the fuck you are! Just get out of my fucking line! Oh, God. Just please don't leave me. Just want to stop. I make it stop on my own. I try, and I don't know what to do. Just please help me. Save me. You're praying to the wrong God. What did you say?
This is strange. It looks like just... It looked like my room, except everything is backwards with a lot of purple haze. Where am I? What the hell? This is not New York. Why? Why is this happening to me? I was leaving the train station and someone pushed me through the wall. Am I stuck here now? What do I do? What do I do?
YouTube, it's me. I'm back. I got a story to tell you. I think I found out what's really good.
Hey, dude, you're that guy. You're the guy from the Don't Get on the Train videos?
Yes.
I've seen all those videos on YouTube. I love those. Can I take my photo with you?
Sure. Are you kidding
You're
me?
hilarious. My roommate's gonna die. Okay.
Wait,
Okay.
They're not supposed to be.
Say, don't get on the trains. Thank you so much.
Wait, no, listen. You're not understanding it. I'm serious. Don't get on the trains.
I know there's ghosts in there.
No, there is ghosts. There's something going on there. People are dying. It was snowing in March. Don't you find that weird?
I just wanted to take a photo with you, man. It's cool.
Listen, do not get on the
I
trains.
love all of your videos. Me and my roommate have watched all of them like 3 or 4 times. It's so awesome meeting
No.
you. Are you making a video right now?
Don't get on the trains.
Am I gonna be in
Are
one of
you-
the Don't Get It on the Train video?
Oh my freaking god.
Thank you so
This-
much. Thank you so much for the photo.
YouTube, I'm not joking. Do not get on the trains. You will die. I can't even finish this. We'll talk later.
Why do I feel like I've done this before? That Indian guy in our class is right. He says things are happening over and over again, and I kind of believe him now. It feels like deja vu.
Not everything, not our entire life. I mean, we just keep going back to August 1st, 2009. Although many things are similar, some things are different.
What else did he say? He said this is our 998th loop. That this is all going to happen one more time, but then after that something else is going to happen. But he's not sure about that.
But why?
I know, right? Why?
Why?
I think this has to do with the trains.
I was just about to say that.
This all makes sense now. You know, you need a lot of power to make time loops.
That's so true. But why do they need to make time loops?
I don't know.
What else did that Indian guy say? He did something about the time loops having glitches, and if you don't have a twin, all of a sudden you're gonna have one. And if you go to the store and you buy something, you're gonna have 40 of the same thing after.
You know the craziest thing he's ever said? Is that some people have supernatural powers. That some people can take their dreams and make it into reality. Or some people can see the future. But, you know, I don't have supernatural powers.
So are we taking train today? Because I thought we were trying to stay away from them.
Well, since we know there'll be one more time, we might as well take the train even though we might die.
That's cool because if we die, we'll come back one more time.
Exactly. So on the next time loop, we just won't take the train. Oh, one second, thought. So, me and my friend are having this reoccurring dream that we're sitting in the park talking about time loops. And it's so weird because we can barely understand what we're saying and subtitles pop up from time to time.
Then this dream just ends with us almost getting on the train, so we think it's a warning or a sign not to get on the train.
We might even be clairvoyants, which would be kind of cool. And these bad guys are stealing energy from the trains to make the time loops. But we still don't know why they're making the time loops.
These time loops are real because something's different happening to the reality we're living in now opposed to the reality 2 years ago. We're going to pay attention to everything to figure out why we are trapped in so many time loops.